Happy Monday, you guys. Happy Monday. I am back. Your girl's back and feeling much better. I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who sent me a give well wishes. Oh my God. Thank you so much. And let's start the day, y'all. Just received my first order, $16.93, and it's going 9.3 miles. So I am not taking this order. I'm a pass. It's a decline. So today it doesn't look as good as supposed to be, but I just got this order after waiting for a while, y'all. Like a while, y'all. So $11 is going 1 mile, 1.9 miles, and it's a shopping order. Let's go shop these 8 items and be done with it. Let's go. $14, the pharmacy order plus shopping, and it's $14 going, I think, 3 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 7 items. Okay. Just received another order, $15 going 1.7 mile. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 7 items. Let's go. Actually, I'm going to the other Walmart that is 5 minutes from my main Walmart. So let's go.
Associate sound check. Mic check 1 2 1 2. This month, we're turning the spotlight.
I have a new order, y'all. Pharmacy order and shopping, only 2 items. $18 for 3 miles. Alright, y'all. I am done. This is the only thing that I'm shopping. So let's go at checkout. Let's go third floor. Thank God I only have this. Because I hate delivering on upstairs. I hate it. So let's go. So I just finished shopping this order over here. This order was $29, you guys. $29 for 9 miles. And I had to shop for 23 items. 23 items. So let's go drop it off. Let's drive 15 minutes. It's a little bit far, but it's okay. $29 was a lot of money. So let's go drop it off. First time delivering this side of the side. Seems today I'm only going to do shopping orders, shopping after shopping after shopping after shopping after shopping. But I'm not complaining. I am not complaining because I'm getting good orders. So I just got another order, you guys. $14 going. I think it was 2 miles. And yeah, I'm only going to shop for 6 items, y'all. Only 6 items, and I only have one more hour to work. So let's go shop this order. Actually, it's been a good day. I don't think I told you guys what time I started. I started was 1:30. I got here at Walmart 1:30 p.m. So, and right now it's 5. So it's been a few hours. So I'm planning to end my work around 6 something. So let's go in there and shop these 6 items. When I come to do a shopping order, I always use the garden center entrance, and if I go straight, I start with G. As I see G, like this section here is G, and for the groceries it's all the way down there. So I have to make sure I have something that it's in G, so I don't have to come back this side again. So I have something that is in G, so let's go grab it before I go to groceries. And sometimes I have to make sure I don't have something that is in I or G or H before I go down there. Alright, so let's go to G2. That is G2 over there. G2 257. 35, 60, 57 will be this one. No, actually it's oops. Actually it's section 3. Section 3, 57. 57 here. Now I have to go all the way to grocery section, which is all the way down. All the way down. Alright, let's go to aisle 4. This one. Excuse me. Sorry. You're good. Thanks. And let's go to section 16. It's gonna be all the way down. Alright, section 16 over there. And modular 6. So let's grab this one. This one here is aisle 35. Aisle 35. Going to section 6. Going to grab this one. Let's go to clothes. This is B38. Let's go to section 3. I think they want this one in small. This is 2X. Let's see if they have small. small here. Let me scan it and see. This here, it only took me 6 minutes. Only 6 minutes. Let's go back and get 1 or 2 more orders. I wish I can get more shopping orders. Actually need the ID for the drug. Okay, y'all, it's 6 p.m. right now, and I wanna end my shift over here. And right now, yo, I did 6 trips. 6 trips. Only one of them paid a real good money, but the rest of them, they was not bad and they was not good. So like $11, $14. What else? Yeah, I only got 21. Only one order that was a big order today. So, but I'm thankful. I'm not complaining, y'all. I'm not complaining. I'm grateful. It's better than nothing. And of course, I made a 1 or 2 in 4 hours. I think it's 4 hours. Yeah, in 4 hours. 1 or 2. I'm so thankful, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. Go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, it's been a whole week. I don't work, so I missed working, y'all. I missed being on the road, to be honest. So I'm back. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this content. Bye. I love you guys.